I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check Chrome version so you're on a build that supports modern TLS. Once done, make sure the operating system trust store contains needed root and intermediate CAs so Chrome can validate certificates. Next, open Chrome, //flags and locate TLS, TLS1. 3 and quick entries, don't change random flags. You'll adjust only specific settings shortly. This prevents accidental instability while you proceed to the actionable configuration steps. Now you perform the core configuration. If TLS1, 3 or necessary crypto flags are disabled, enable them in Chrome, //flags, then restart Chrome. Enabling modern cipher suites improves security and performance. If you need a custom CA, import its certificate through Settings Privacy and Security Manage Certificates so Chrome trusts it. For detailed validation, capture a net export or use Chrome, //net internals to record TLS handshakes and errors. This helps you see certificate chains and negotiated cipher suites. Finish by restarting Chrome and clearing any cached SSL state so new settings take effect. Then visit the site and click the padlock to confirm TLS version and certificate details. Open DevTools Security Panel and review the negotiated protocol. If things go wrong, make sure the certificate chain is complete, revocation checks succeed, and no proxy or interception appliance is replacing certs. Check OS proxy settings and corporate policies. If needed, re-import valid CA certificates and retest until the handshake succeeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.